Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create a social media content calendar in Airtable. It is very simple. All you have to do is to go to your Airtable workspace, and here you have to go to templates. Here, once you are in templates, you have to search for social media. As you can see, there are a couple of templates that we can use. For example, this is social media calendar template. We can use this one, or we can use social media planning and design template. But for this tutorial, let's use social media calendar template. All you have to do is to press try this template button and press create, and it will create the template for you. Alright guys, as the template is set up, as you can see, it has created a calendar for us, and it has added some random details or some random events, but we can change them and we can add our events. Also, we can connect Google Sheets, or we can connect Excel CSV, but let's leave it. And here you can see it has set up this calendar for us. Now if we want to add our tasks, we can write the task as content, and we can add the date, we can add their status in progress, and we can assign it to person, we can add their copy, add image, channels, notes, and types of post, like if it is whatever. By the way, we can update as well. We can add a new option if we like. So this is, as you can see, it has added this content one in Friday. So this is how you set up a calendar in Airtable to manage all of your social media tasks. Here you can manage your content as well. As you can see, once you select social media calendar from this drop down, you get this option. So here you have dates, you have status, type of post, channels, copy, image, and you have other fields as well, like notes and social media owner. Here you can add your content, like you can add topics, you can add their dates, you can add their status. So for example, if I want to add a new topic like video one, I can add it as well. I can add the date of the video from this drop down, and I can add their status and other fields as well. I can add their image. So this is how you manage your content using Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.